When it comes to FDM 3D printing, whether you're an enthusiast or a professional, dimensional accuracy is the primary challenge. It's the difference between a part that looks right and a part that is functionally perfect. And if you want to calibrate your BambuLab 3D printer to deliver the most accurate results possible, BambuLab provides a specialized tool, the Vision Encoder. For the casual user printing decorative models, the factory precision of BambuLab printers is, in the vast majority of cases, more than sufficient. I've been using my printers for various models and have been extremely happy with the quality this thing churns out. So in other words, this Vision Encoder is a professional tool disguised as a consumer accessory. In essence, it's simply a metal plate covered in thousands of small symbols or codes that the machine reads. Although these markers are tiny, the toolhead camera has a sufficient resolution to see them clearly. This intricate surface makes the encoder a delicate part that should be handled with care, certainly nothing you'd be printing on. Bear in mind, a 3D printer is a mechanical system that degrades with use. Over time, several factors affect accuracy, such as slackness in the belts as they stretch slightly with longer-term use, creating a slight delay in movement. The printer is also subject to micro wear on its components, such as bearings and linear rails, or elastic deformation from the repeated stress of rapid movements. Even vibrations, including simply moving the physical printer between locations, can have an effect. The Vision Encoder plate helps correct these mechanical deviations, creating a digital compensation map that the firmware uses to adjust the toolhead's position in real time. While this is not an entirely new concept in industrial machinery, its implementation in a consumer-grade printer is quite remarkable. How often the Vision Encoder calibration is run depends upon how often you use the printer. Heavier users may wish to run the calibration weekly, for instance, whereas casual users may be fine running it monthly or not at all. Personally, I run a full calibration every maintenance cycle depending on how much I've used the printer. In typical BambuLab fashion, running the actual calibration is rather straightforward. With a clean bed that is completely cool at room temperature, place the Vision Encoder on top, aligning it correctly as you would a build plate. Next, on the printer's screen, navigate to the calibration menu and start the motion system accuracy calibration. This will start the process, kill the printer's side LED strips, and the toolhead camera takes over, reading the plate and homing itself in. BambuLab claims that the Vision Encoder restores the motion system accuracy to within 50 micrometers. That's equivalent to 0.05 millimeters, less than the thickness of a human hair, and 1/4 of a typical 0.2 millimeter print layer height. All pretty impressive. Note that we do need to have the right expectations here. This process is not going to improve surface quality from ghosting or ringing, for example. It does nothing for the Z-axis, and it doesn't fix issues with extrusion, temperature, or pore adhesion. What it does do is compensate for systematic mechanical positioning errors on the X and Y axes, and provides a foundation for features like holes and pockets. So it is really important to understand what can be achieved with the plate. It's not just a magic one-touch fix for all issues. Once complete then, the screen will highlight a graph of visual differences before and after calibration, although take that as you will, after which the calibration is finished, and the plate can be removed from the bed for safe storage, preferably in a safe, clean location. Whether the Vision Encoder plate is a purchase you should make really comes down to how you use your printer. It's not a cheap accessory after all. In fact, you probably don't need it if you're a beginner or your main focus is on artistic and decorative models. For professionals, advanced makers, and small businesses, the Vision Encoder is an investment in consistency and quality. For the casual user, the inherent precision of BambuLab printers is already exceptional, and the money could probably be better spent elsewhere.